Hi class, it's Mr. Delgado. Just wanted to give you a little help on this problem. I'm sure some of you already can do it, and maybe you're just wondering how a tape model would look. So I'm going to go ahead and show that. So here Lamar has 1,354 and 5/10 kilograms of potatoes to deliver equally to 18 stores. So right there, right away, I'm looking at, I want to make a hole, and the hole will be the 1,354.5 kilograms. So I'm going to make a tape model for that. And that will be 1,354.5 kilograms. And they're going to be delivered equally between 18 stores. So right there, I'm sure you're aware that we're going to divide this into 18 parts. And normally we have that shortcut where we just do like 3 of them and then count the end at 18. But what I'm going to do instead, just because as I read on, it says 12 of the stores are in the Bronx. How many kilograms of potatoes will be delivered to stores in the Bronx? So I'm going to go ahead and draw all 18 of them because of that second part. And I think you'll see why after I start. So see, for 18, I'm going to do like 3 times 6. So I'm going to go first cut it into thirds. And then cut these into 6 pieces. So cut them in half. And then 3. There we go. All right. So that should be 18 pieces there. Now, the reason I did that, and I drew all 18 instead of just taking that shortcut where you just draw the first 3 and then dot, 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 and then the last one, is because the second part says 12 of the stores are in the Bronx. So I actually want to mark that off. So I'm going to go ahead and count 12 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I can just put a bracket around that, and I'll label it to the Bronx. All right, so basically that's the section that I'm interested in. So my first operation shows this number divided by 18 parts. So I'm going to go ahead and do that division problem. 1,354 and 5/10 divided by 18. All right, 18 doesn't go into 13, it goes into 135. Let's see how many times. I'm going to say at least 6, maybe 7. Let's try 7. So 7 times 8 is 56. Right. 5. 7 times 1 is 7. Plus 5 is 12. All right, let's see. We got 2 here, 9. Okay, 9 looks good. 9's less than the divisor, 18, so I'm going to bring down the next number. And now I have 94. So 18 goes into 94. How many times? Oh, I forgot to bring my decimal up. There we go. 18 goes to 94, so I'm going to say 18's almost 20. 20 goes into 4 times. Let's try 4 times. 4 times 8 is 32. Carry the 3. 4 times 1 is 4. Plus 3 is 7. Let's see. We got 2 and 2. 22. Okay, that's not going to work because that is larger than my divisor. So I'm going to use my eraser and erase that 4. And I guess I did not guess enough. So I am going to guess 5. So let's put 5 in there. 5 times 8 is 40. Carry the 4. 5 times 1 is... So here we have 9. Okay, that looks more like it. I subtract. There's 4. And now I can bring down the 5. All right. So, let's see. So 18, we'll go into that twice. 2 times 8 is 16. Carry the 1. It's 36. That'll be 9. And so now I know that's good because it's lower than the divisor. So I'm going to go ahead and add a 0, add hundredths. Bring it down. Now 18 goes into 90 hundredths. I know that's going to work out. So I'm going to say 5 times. 5 times 8 is 40. Carry the 4. 5 times 1. Okay, there it is, 90. So this amount would go into each of the parts. And I know that they want to know the total, how many kilograms of potatoes will be delivered to the stores in the Bronx. So that would be that amount, 75 and 25 hundredths kilograms times 12. Okay, so I'm going to do that over here. Or actually, I'll do it right here. So times 12. And then we got 2 times 5, 0. Carry the 1. 2 times 2, 4. Plus 1 is 5. And then 2 times 5 is 10. Carry the 1. 2 times 7, 14, 15. All right. Then I'm going to put a 0 here. And then 1 times all of that is all of that. 7, 5, 2, 5. And I'm going to add it all up. So I got 0, 0, carry the 1, 3, 0, carry the 1, 9. So I have 90,300, looks like hundredths. Which in standard form is 903. Right? Because it's 903.00 and we don't need those zeros. All right, so to answer the question, how many kilograms of potatoes will be delivered to the store in the Bronx? 903 kilograms of potatoes will be delivered to the Bronx. Well, that's it. I wish I was there to see how you did. Okay. Bye-bye.